Hello children, welcome back to the class. I hope everyone are doing well and safe at home. So for midterm exam is near for you. So we have completed all the portions for the midterm exams. So today I'll give the revision and the pattern. So pattern will be how the questions will be there and how you have to write the answers. Everything I will say. So watch the video properly. Okay. So midterm exam revision this one. Okay. So here in the midterm paper you will have the multiple choice questions. Okay, MCQ will be there and there will be 15 multiple choice questions will be there. So means for the questions you will have the 4 options. Okay, for the one question you will have 4 options. In that 4 options 3 answers will be wrong and 1 options will be correct. So you have to choose which answer is correct for the given question, and for that you have to write the given answer for the given question. Okay children, so here first main will be multiple choice questions. 15 multiple choice questions will be there. Okay, so let's see the questions and how you have to write the answers. Okay, so before telling the questions I'll say you have to refer all the lessons which we have done and the classwork and the homework and worksheet which I have given. Okay, so if you want to write all the question answers means you have to refer the textbook part. Okay children, choose the correct answer. Yeah, okay, so first one for the question we will have the 4 options. Okay, so let's see the questions. First one is who controls all the body parts. So who controls all the body parts question is there. So here for that questions 4 options will be there. Okay, let's see. A stomach, B lungs, C brain and D kidneys. Okay, so here which one is the correct answer? If you go through the textbook you will get all the answers. So for that you have to read all the lessons and you have to learn all the questions from your textbook and the classwork. Okay children, so here who controls all the body parts? In this 4 option which one is correct answer? Yes, that is brain. Okay, brain is the answer. No, so where is the brain? Yes, that is option C. What you have to do means you can't tick the mark in the question paper. Okay, because you are writing the online exam, no, so you can't tick the mark. So what you have to do, if the answer is C brain, you have to write the answer C and brain. Question number 1, yes, C then brain. So this everything you have to write in your exam book or exam paper. Okay children, so next one is the blood flows through pipes called. The blood flows through pipes called. Options will be A oxygen, B blood vessels, C food pipe and D wind pipe. So which one is correct answer? Yes, that is blood vessel. Where blood vessel is the correct answer. So blood vessel we have to write with the option. Okay children, the next one is which of the following requires food? Pebble, plant, piano and pencil. In this which one is living thing and which things need food? Pebble is a non-living thing, plant is a living thing, piano also non-living thing and pencil also non-living thing. So in this plant is a living thing, so for plant need food, right? So plant is the correct answer. Okay children, next one is which of the following is our national bird? So in this which one is our national bird? Choose from the 4 options. Yes, there is the peacock. Yes, peacock is the answer. So we have to choose 1 answers and you have to write the answer. Next one will be which of the following bird swims? Here 4 birds names will be there in the 4 options. Which bird will swim in the water? Which one? Yes, that is duck. Kite don't swim, vulture also will not swim, swallow also not swim. So duck is the swimming bird. So you have to write the answer duck. Next one is which plant need external support to stand? So there are 5 types of plants, right? So in this which type of plant needs support? Anything like stick, thread or anything ladder to grow, stand children? Yes, that is the climbers. Climbers plants need supports to grow straight or stand. So climbers is the answer. So climbers you have to write. Next, tailor bird make their nest with stones, water, leaves and plastic. Which things tailor birds need? Yes, leaves. No, tailor bird leaves, stitches leaves to make their nest. So because for that only it calls a tailor bird, because it stitches the leaves together to make the nest, right? Okay, which is the smallest bird among the following? Hummingbird, pigeon, ostrich or penguin? Which is the very smallest bird, children, here? Yes, it is a hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Okay. Next one is, which of the following organs is a part of the respiratory system? Which one is a part of the respiratory system here? Heart, lungs, small intestine or kidneys? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, lungs is the correct answer. It is a part of a respiratory system, so you have to write the correct answer. Next one is, how do the toes of perching birds helps them? The birds of perching birds or toes are there, no? So how it will helps them? Yes, it is holding the branch, no? Yes, A is the correct answer. Oh yes, it helps to hold the branch wherever they want to sit. So that is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. So you have to write. Fish breathe through its, yes, gills. Gills is the correct answer. Next, living things get energy from A, food, B, water, C, soil or D, mouth. Yes, that is food. Living things, all living things need food. Because of food we will get energy. Which of these is a function of spiracles? That is breathings. Yes, insects have a spiracles, that is a hole, that is a spiracles. From spiracles, insects breathe. No, children? Yes, so breathing is the answer. Which part of the plant is generally found below the ground? That is root. Yes, in this root we can't see on the ground, right? Because it is the below the ground. Birds use their dash to move. How they will move? With the help of wings. Yes. Which of the following types of a plant has a trunk? Which is having trunk, children? Trunk means what? Yes, a tree. Right. So trees, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Yes, trees, because trees are very big and tall and it has a very strong and woody stem. So that we call it as trunk. So trees are having a trunk stem. Okay. Next one is, which of the following is a colorful insects? Which insects is a colorful, children? Yes, that is butterfly. You can see the butterflies are very colorful insects. So butterfly is the answer. So butterfly you have to write. Which of the following plants has top root? Which one is? Yes, turnip has a tap root. Turnip is the answer, no, children? So see the correct answer and you have to write. Okay. Which of the following plants has a medicinal value? Which one is the medicinal value in this plant? Yes, that is tulsi. Which of the following moves on its own? Which one? Kite, car, lion or train? Yes, that is lion. Right. Yes. Next, we inhale air through. We inhale or exhale air through which part? Yes, that is nose. How many sense organs do we have, children? Yes, as we know there are 5 sense organs. Okay, children. So like this the questions will be there, but same questions will be not there. They can give other questions also with the 4 options. Okay, just don't go through only this pattern and these questions. I can give other questions, 15 questions I can give, but not this. In this also I can change the questions and the answers. Okay, children. So just all multiple choices. So if you want all the multiple choice question answer means you have to refer the class work and textbook. Okay, children. Okay, the next one will be, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, true or false we have to write. First one is, a dog lays eggs. Is it true or false, children? Yes, that is false. A dog do not lay eggs. Plant do not breathe at night. True or false? Yes, that is also false. Plants do breathe. The air that we breathe out is called exhaled air. Yes, that is the true. All birds can fly. No, children, so all birds cannot fly. Some birds cannot fly. Right. Non-living things do not need food. Yes, that is true, because non-living things will not move, they will not do any action, so they do not need any food. Cockroaches feed on animals' blood. That is false. Spices make the food unhealthy to eat. That is also false. From the spices we'll get taste. Yes, no, children? So yes, we'll mix the spices in any food means we'll get the taste. Coconut plant is an example of tree. Yes, that is a true. It is a tall and big plant, so that is a tree. A duck has webbed toes. That is true or false? Yes, that is true. So like these questions will be there, but not the same questions. I can give other questions also. Okay, so you have to, so main and the pattern will be same, the questions will be not be same. So I have to refer the classwork and the textbook for this also. Next one is answer the following question in one word. Okay, so in one word you have to give the answer for this. Name any one plant whose leaves we eat. Which one plant, children? That is spinach. Yes. Which is an example of spinach is an example of which type of plant? That is, yes, herb. Spinach is a herb plant. Name the point where two or more bones join. Where is that? Yes, that is joint. Name the point where two or more bones meet. That is joint. Which part of plant changes into fruit? That is flower. Okay, children. So like this answers you have to write. Name any one food grain. That is wheat. Which body part of insects contains the legs? As we know, yes, thorax. Which bird lays the largest egg? Which one? Yes, ostrich. What is the red fluid called carries oxygen in our body? That is blood. Yes, it is a red in color that carries in our body, oxygen in our body. So the questions will be like this. I can give other questions also. So okay, so you have to write in one word. Okay, one word questions will be there. And okay, so next one is give reason for the following statements. So here you have to give any one or two reason for this statement. Okay, in this first statement is leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Okay, for this you have to give, so you have to practice and you have to back the answers. Okay, there is a 1 line, 2 line, 3 line answers also there. You have to practice and back, children. Okay, first one is leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Next one is wedding birds have spread out toes. Okay, for the next one, insects have spiracles on their body. You have to give reason for this also. Next one is most underground stems are swollen and big. Okay, give reason for this. Next one is pine is called an evergreen tree. Right. Next one is a car is considered a non-living thing. If you want the answers means refer the classwork, everything I have given in the classwork. So refer the classwork for these answers and practice and back properly. Okay, back the answers for give reason. It is there in your classwork, children. Okay. The next one is write H for harmful insects and U for useful insects. So for this main I will give the pictures also. Okay, I will give insects pictures also. Example, cockroach is there here. I will give cockroach picture, honeybee picture, butterfly picture, mosquito picture, everything, all the pictures will be there. You have to see the picture, then you have to write this picture is, these insects are useful to us or either harmful to us. If the picture is useful, you have to write U in the blank, and if the insects are harmful, you have to write H in the blank. Okay, here for example cockroach is there. So if cockroach is a harmful or useful, yes, it is harmful for us, you have to write H. Honeybee is useful or harmful, yes, that is useful. We'll get honey from honeybee, no? So that is useful. So for useful insects you have to write U. Next one is butterfly. So butterfly is a, yes, useful insects. Next, mosquito is a harmful insect. Okay, next one is fly. Fly is a useful or harmful insect? Yes, that is also harmful insect. Next, grasshopper. Grasshopper also a harmful insect. So like this you have to write the letter only. If useful means U, harmful means H you have to write. Okay, children. So this is also a main. I will give the other insects also. You have to write whether the insects are harmful or whether they are useful. You have to write. Okay, and the next main will be draw a diagram of a plant and label its parts. I will give diagram, children. You have to draw beautifully the diagram of a plant and you have to mention their names. Names are roots, stems, leaf, fruit and flowers. Okay, these names also you have to mention. Okay, otherwise if you will not mention the name means you will not get any marks. Okay, so draw beautifully the plant and you have to mention the names. Mention the parts of the plant. Okay, children. So here the revision and the pattern is finished. You have to practice everything. Okay, and just don't go through only this revision and the pattern. because I can give any questions, not only these, I can give still other questions from the textbook or from classwork. So you have to practice everything. Okay, science all till now which lesson I have done, everything you have to practice, okay, for your exam. So all the best for your exam. Read well, practice well. Okay, so all the best. Take care everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.